Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable game mode for your earbuds LG TONE Free. You have to start by open LG TONE Free application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and click at the Tone Free Lab. Right here at the second line we have game mode. To enable it you need to tap one time at the slider near to it. Now if you enable this mode you may have connection instability. So I don't recommend it to use this mode all the time, only when you play games. To disable it, tap at this slider again if the slider have a colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.